Hi, I'm Preeti Agarwal. मेरा नाम प्रीति अग्रवाल है. I'm from Mumbai. I never studied because my grandpa believed convent school impart Western culture to kids. So we all kids were in Hindi medium school. All the time I was just wanted to learn English.
I never traveled for vacation anywhere. We only went to my mother's parents' house for the entire summer break, which was a month long. And so I pretty much spent every summer of my life growing up in Preeti's house. Preeti and I both grew up in the 1980s, and I went to a convent school where the medium of education was in English, but Preeti went to a Hindi medium school where everything was taught in Hindi. My grandfather was a freedom fighter, and so he did not want his grandkids to learn anything which was influenced by the Western culture. Growing up, even I did not speak so much English, just because of the culture that my friend group had. My family never spoke in English, but we could understand English, talk in English, and every time we went, Preeti used to feel that, you guys can speak in English, you guys are so smart. Then she felt that that was a very important part of her life that was missing from her.
We never rebelled. My grandpa was my favorite.
वो अपना दादाजी का इतना काम करती थी, मेरे पास रहती थी, मेरा सारा सामान देखती थी, संभालती थी. हम कहीं जाते तो उसी को चाबी दे के जाते हैं.
He taught me Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Ram Raksha Stotra, Devi Kavach, all the mantras and shlokas we were chanting and learning all the time. I knew that in his way, what he's thinking, that is right. Still, I wanted, because everybody, my cousins, they were getting good education. I was not getting my school. I was hating that school. Teachers were not coming to teach because they were not getting the payment. So 1 or 2 classes were happening only. I was envious towards the kids who were going to convent school. I still don't enjoy reading Hindi. Hindi I can speak well. Why should I read in Hindi? If something is there in English, whether I'm interested or not, I enjoy it because I feel that I'm improving that way. Till my 10th boards, I was not able to read even simple English. I started writing every word, like the meaning and pronunciation in Hindi. Then I started writing English to English meaning. After getting married, I lost faith in me. I was into so much inferiority complex. I made English so big in my mind. I thought if I don't know English, I can't do anything. Shipra Didi used to tell my husband, "You have got the best in lot." I felt so, when she said that, I felt so ashamed. I thought, why Didi is saying that? I'm not doing anything. I'm just wasting my life. I still remember the date, 6th of May. I thought, if I'll not start speaking, I won't be able to speak ever. At home, I will never speak in Hindi now.
Sometimes I felt that was very suffocating for her because she wanted to speak something and she just could not deliver that in English.
My husband was telling me, you are making lot of mistakes, you should work on your grammar. I was telling him, just shut your mouth, let me speak. I know I'm making mistakes, but if I'll think about my mistakes, I will stop speaking only. My kids were like, Mama, why aren't you speaking in Hindi? They were missing my Hindi. There was something in my head. We have a WhatsApp group called We Sisters. So I messaged in that group. I wanted to share something with you all. I'm not confident about my English. So if I'll not start writing here, I won't be able to write anywhere else. Then Shipra Didi told me, I didn't know it was inside you so much. You are so passionate to learn English.
At that time, my son was young and he had gone through like some IXL for math at his middle school, and I thought that IXL has an English course and it starts from pre-K all the way through 12th grade, and I can ask her if she would want to learn that.
Then I was so excited to do that. I did IXL all the time. We were competing. My didis were also started doing the IXL. We all were doing and enjoying the course.
within a week or so, she was like already finishing so many chapters of the pre-K English, and I was just shocked to hear that, like a 30-year-old starting at the level of pre-K English, and just feeling that there was some purpose to life.
6 months maids were not there because of corona. We were locked in the house, and I was completing all the work at night. I was texting Didi, writing about my thoughts. Entire night I was not sleeping, and 4 o'clock I was doing IXL. In my family, people were scared like I have lost the mental balance. At my home, still I speak in English. It's been 3 years. Base is there. I can speak this much. Still, I lose confidence when I speak in public. But I have faith now. I have reached here. Only first step is important. If you will take that, you will reach.